In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop in Notion. Open Notion and go straight to your main dashboard. From the left sidebar, click the page called Drag and Drop Demo. This is where you'll practice moving content around so you can arrange, rearrange, and organize your page more efficiently. Once you're on the page, look near the bottom for the block called Project Timeline. Move your cursor over that block and wait for the 6-dot handle to appear on the left side. That handle is what you'll use to move blocks in Notion. Click and hold it. Then drag the Project Timeline block upward toward the top of the page. As you move it, keep an eye out for a blue horizontal line. When that blue line appears above the Meeting Notes block, release your mouse. That places the block in its new position. Next, find the block that says Review the Q2 Marketing Budget and Finalize Campaign Dates. Hover over it, grab the 6-dot handle, and start dragging it toward the far right side of the Action Items heading. As you move the block, watch for a thin blue vertical line. When that vertical line appears, release the mouse. This tells Notion to place that block beside the other content, creating a 2-column layout. Now that you have columns, you can adjust how wide each one is. Move your cursor into the space between the 2 columns until a gray vertical guideline appears. Click and drag that guide left or right to resize the columns. This is useful when one column needs more room than the other, especially if you're organizing notes on one side and tasks on the other. If you want to remove the column layout and return everything to a full-width stack, go to the block in the right-hand column and hover over it until the 6-dot handle appears. Click and hold that handle, then drag the block downward. Keep going until you see a blue horizontal line stretching across the full width of the page. Once you release, the block will drop below and the column layout will be removed. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You can repeat this same process anytime you want to move blocks up or down a page, place content side by side, or reorganize your workspace. The key thing to remember is to watch the blue guidelines, because they show exactly where your content will land before you let go. After you've finished, your updated layout will stay in your workspace automatically. That's really all there is to it. Go ahead and try it now, and you've successfully used drag and drop in Notion. Congratulations!